So I've been looking for a new TIG welder for the shop, and I didn't know Prime Weld has a place in New Jersey. So we drove down there, and from all the reviews I've been looking at, and from just seeing the pictures of what comes with it, I was thoroughly impressed. So we drove down there to pick up one of these 225 AC/DC TIG welders. I gotta say, it's already boxed better than some welders I've seen that cost a lot more. Wow. It's fully encapsulated in probably an inch thick foam. So that's what it comes in. Pretty thick foam, corner crush guards. Pretty sweet. So first impression, the knobs aren't really loose like I've seen on other machines. You can actually, there's resistance there, which is nice. We'll weld with it in a little while. I want to see what else is in the box. Decent stinner. I personally like the thread-on type, but decent stinner. Crimped argon hose, which is usually with even blue machines, they'll have a clear, almost like food grade CO2 hose with a hose, not even a hose clamp, it's a spring clamp, I guess you'd call it. So that's pretty cool that it's crimped. And the other thing I like about this is it's not some weird Chinese size. That always stinks when you get a welder. It has a quick disconnect or something weird. This is all regular, so that's good. And this is what I was really excited about. Prime Weld, actual foot pedal. We'll see how it reacts when we weld with it. Ground clamp actually has copper on both sides, which is nice. Just like my Lincoln, copper on both sides. This should be the flow meter. Yep, an actual flow meter, which I'm probably going to end up putting this one on the MIG. I just like them better. I run a dual on my TIG, so I don't really need it, but that's good. That's actually a flow meter. And It actually has a cap over it. It's actually a nice flow meter. If you look at a lot of other meters, it's just a plastic cap over it. This is actually like encapsulated. The caps always fall off, those plastic caps. Sold a bunch of them at work that needed plastic caps. And I don't know what this is. Oh, instruction manual, 220 plug. What? I didn't know that it came with a finger trigger. That's insane. Wow. That's got me really excited. I didn't... 100% God honest truth, I did not know it came with it. So that's pretty cool. Seemed like as long as you zip tie it to the handle, it does seem... I don't know. We'll see how it works. I haven't used them a bunch, but I've always wanted one because sometimes welding the buggy, you can't get to use the foot pedal, so you have to do like lift TIG or like squeeze it between your legs or your elbow. So that's really cool that this actually came with it. Sweet. Did not know that. Consumables. I believe that's gray tungsten. Back cap, which I only use regular collet for aluminum, so we'll weld some aluminum with these. And this is the other reason I sell a ton of these at work, and I can't believe for the price point of this machine it came with an actual flex cable 17 CK Worldwide flex head and a CK DINS connector adapter. These things are really cool. I sell a bunch of these at work too. Basically you take that off, pop this open, and try to do this one-handed. Basically you put it into there, your hose goes into that one. This has two hoses because it's not blow-through DINS, which isn't a deal breaker, but it's really cool. I can tell you... Oh, I didn't snap it. There it is. I can tell you that this piece alone is $40. Both the cables are around, I think, around $40 a cable. So you're up to 80, and the head is like 30 and the handle's like 15. So that's 80, 95. It's like $125 worth of, $125 worth of TIG outfit, TIG rig, whatever you want to call it, but that is cool that it comes with it. So we will get to welding with this shortly. Stay tuned. So we're gonna hook up the welder, DINS connector, in, gas line, in. If you have any questions, this is one great owner's manual. It's actually thick, like, it's really nice owner's manual. Another thing I haven't seen very often is a good owner's manual. So, put that there. I don't know where my hose is, so I'm going to use the hose that it's supplied with. ground cable. Power on. Let's put at 95. DC. I'll be honest, I don't know all of the settings yet. I've got to look into that. So I figured out what I did wrong. The base current was too low. I'm fooling around right now with some aluminum, so I'll run another bead, but I'm running it still with the gas lens and multi-mix, and it seems like it's doing pretty good. Not bad. So we're about to fire up the prime weld. We switched over from a 17 to a 9. We have to fix a couple spots I dug a little bit too deep, and TIG weld on a couple other things and finish a couple things. But we're gonna try, if I can get it out of here. We're gonna try this on-off switch instead of using the pedal. I haven't used one. I've been wanting one, so we're gonna try that. I might upgrade to a rotary style or a slide style, but put you on time lapse and we're gonna get to work. Thanks for watching. The Prime Weld, overall, I'm thoroughly impressed by its quality and just weldability. I don't know if that's a word, but the price point, it does what it's supposed to and got plenty of features in it. We're going to be using it a lot on the rear steer, so make sure you follow along by hitting that subscribe button. That way you know when we upload a new video. So stay tuned, because we're going to be uploading a bunch of videos of the buggy. We have to paint it, wire it, rear steer it, mount tires on bead locks. We've got tons of videos coming out. Just because race season's over doesn't mean that we slow down. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.